Hello, my noble band of outlaws. Outlaw Samurai coming at you live with a video. Well, today I'm going to be unboxing my new multi-tool that I bought at Walmart today. Just like in my last unboxing video, I bought both of these today, and I'm making both of the videos today so I don't have to make them later. So without further ado, let's get to it. This is a Ozark Trails multi-tool. As always, I'll get to the tool first and then get to the housing for it in a moment. See? Very nice, very nice. Just a moment. Get more light over here so you can see. If you're wondering about that buzzing, I have a fan going in the background to cool me off. Grand opening. Very satisfying clicks. When you hear clicks like that from a multi-tool, that's very good. That means that the tool is securely, is secure, the springs are tight, and it is very safe to use. Now, there's something weird that I have noticed with this multi-tool that I don't see on any other multi-tools, actually. Usually whenever you open a multi-tool, you pull the stuff out and then you fold it back up. In this case, everything is on the outside that you unfold outwards. So let's see what we got here. On this side first, we have a knife. Very standard on all multi-tools. Then we have a file. Again, standard on multi-tools. I want to say Phillips head screwdriver, but I'm not very good at names, I just call them a screwdriver. We also have a ruler slash saw here. I don't know if you can catch that pick that up on video or not. So that's this side. Moving over to this side, we have what appears to be a can opener, a bottle opener. Right here, this is the bottle, this is the can. I'm guessing this is something to tie a lanyard or something to, in case you wanted to. Don't know many people who do. This is, I think, called an ogle. This right here. I don't really know what this is called because I no longer have the box on me to look at it. But I believe this tool right here is used for making holes in belts. So that's good. Ooh! We have a very rough tooth saw right here for getting rid of little twigs and bark. And something else I've noticed on the ruler over here. This is for the longest time I used this as a saw on my other multi-tools. This is actually for descaling fish, and that's for getting your hook out of the fish's mouth. So, yeah, this is my new multi-tool. Now I'll get to the sheath, or the holster, as I would actually call this a holster. because it's not very sheath-like. has a very strong button, has a very strong clip, like button clip. I have to push in hard in order to get it to snap, and pull hard to get it to unsnap. Very nice, highly, I think, high-grade nylon, very nicely stitched. And then you have the classic belt loop. So yeah, this has been my unboxing of the Ozark Trails hand tool 2019. Okay, I cannot button it with this thing up. I assume this serves some purpose. If not for a lanyard, then maybe to remove ticks. It may be for removing ticks. That is what I would think would be the main purpose of that little doohickey. There's an elastic view in the scabbard, or holster as I should say. Closed. And you saw me use this in my last review, in my last one. This is my skull knife. It is the Tac Extreme skull knife. You can see it has a very nice biohazard skull design, skull with cross knives, and has a fire starter in the handle. Now, me personally, I do not know how to use a fire starter, but I will learn and probably burn shit in the process. But until next time, Outlaw Samurai tells all y'all, be crazy rednecks and be safe when using your weapons. I'm out. Peace.